because I am not that person.
Yeah.
Rochelle, when I met you over social media, I like your pictures, them and all of that. So we end up with a place where we even exchange number, right? Me see say you advertise your pregnancy now, pan, and congratulations. And you told me this weeks ago, right? When you don't even know me. When you tell me this, you tell me, say, Kay, you and my mother and some other people know. Not even, we not reach to the near yet because we want to surprise him.
Right.
This is where me and Rochelle was, So why would you think I would come on the internet and Rochelle, me watch your video them, to me know say me a cussy coming up, me cannot. I just feel like say on social media, you are not going to have 2 million other people page to go comment fuck up and choose my one. I'm if just ignore you. No. If you can't type it, you go feel it back. And this is why me have my moderator them who can angle it for me. Because as a rebel said, I know what bullying was. I bullied people and people it. One time in my head, when I feel like say my pity them I go fall under bullying because my daughter is like a scholar. And you know because of that, it make me always up in a defense mode. It start from the kids them and then it comes. Me know how mistake. So the other day, there's nothing that Rebel, Vani, and nobody else that said to you, Rochelle, that I didn't say to you the other day. I don't know what you are going through, and I know that you are going through a lot because the media is attacking you. And if you watch that screen record, and I sat and I watched that screen record in tears, in cussing in myself, in cussing with other people, I'm going to say, what did I say wrong to Rochelle? More than Rochelle. Anytime you don't want them say nothing, you tell them go suck them, or you tell them whatever. You see me? This is what the problem is, Rochelle. And all of it, you see it. I'm a love how everybody just blunt and you answer them too much. If you come, you make a speech, Rochelle, and this is what I was saying to you. You make a speech about your husband and your husband. I said that before them even screen record. I say your husband. Nobody living in your house and know you and dinner got you. That is none of us our business. But you, when you make your speech, who is the fucking internet for you to be explaining? You can't explain it one time because you want to get your point across. But you do it Monday evening, Monday 3 o'clock in idea, 5 a.m. You don't need all of that, Rochelle, because you need a Rochelle.
But the people in the comment section say maybe because of okay talk, but then again,
that's what I say.
This is all me I got act. Not for the content that me talk about. It is not about me, but because me know that somebody I feel in it. You understand me? It become one emotional situation. It's like I put myself in other place. So me I go get.
Honestly speaking, me I go talk because the near post. She stay. I like how she stay. Rochelle is going through it because she have tons of emotion going on. So I think everything was a misunderstanding. That's what I think. Between you give me a second because she emotional and you're just being yourself. That's you. You get me a say, but they probably should take the delivery wrong. As me I say. You get me a say?
And that's exactly what happened.
So I'm going to take defense with somebody.
And a lot of people are clashing because she's super emotional because they're pregnant. So I just feel like
Rochelle,
that's one reason.
And this is the thing because she doesn't know me. Because she doesn't know me, she did, I don't know if she think I was attacking her. And this is why I said to you, when I even said to you that Rochelle, you're lost in a social media, all of us up here are lost in a social media, in a TikTok right now. You know, I never said that. Because the first thing, the one we also take up a phone, a TikTok will go up and why keep this man.
Okay, what do I ever force myself to go up and
all we lost in a social because we are the people on TikTok right now. I take up my phone. So Rochelle, when I was saying, me said to you, Rochelle, you're lost in a TikTok, we're lost in a social media, and I don't know if you understand what I was saying to you. And while I was lost in it, Rochelle, you make it take you away. We now make
it. You see you, alright. You see you and Rochelle, the situation and nothing for look past. We don't know each other long enough. I have this problem with my friends. You see how you're blunt, you just You just blur out everything.
Raw truth.
Raw truth. That don't work for everybody, Kay.
Yeah.
It not work for me.
Let me talk. I had this problem in my friendship where I feel like it and friends don't fuck with it.
Yeah.
Rochelle don't fuck with it.
What?
I don't know what to do with Rochelle.
Maybe feel attacked, but then again, I just
because
okay,
they have my
talk
number.
loud